Alright, let's see if this works. The idea here was to press record on the helicopter at the same time I press record on my helmet cam. This way, when I play the video back, they'll be perfectly synchronized. Now, will it work? We'll see. Alright, let's get off our platform right here. And let's get set up. Alright, for my last flight, ooh, here comes that breeze again already, nice and early. Maybe I should face it to the wind. For my last flight, I had left this at 100%. There we go. Alright, should be transmitting at the 5.8 gigahertz, but I don't have a receiver yet for that. But at least, alright, just kind of want to get a little peek up there. And when that breeze hit it, it wants to go back. Alright, let's bring her back slowly. Alright, and that breeze is no joke. She doesn't like the extra weight too much, but it's not too bad. Every time that breeze hits, it pushes her down a little bit. There we go. Kind of play with the wind a little bit there. All right, let me try some hard moves here. See how it reacts. Yeah, good, good. Treating her nice and rough. She likes it, that's good. So far so good. I want to turn her, but that wind is just wants to take her, so let me bring her back a little bit and turn a little bit and see what it does. And every time that breeze hits, that is no joke. Alright. You can hear when the wind hits. keep her sideways a little bit. At least I know she can bank hard if she has to. Alright, I'm going to flick it to mode 1 right now. Right where it's at. A little windy, but I want to feel it. Come on. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to hit mode 1 on this wind. It's ugly. What's with this park in the wind? It's just horrible. I'm telling you, every time that wind hits it, look at that. Come on, bring it back. And when you turn on that wind, it's just wants to sail. Pretty stable, but it kind of flops all over the place every time the wind hits it. Man, I'd love to fly her one day with no wind. So far it has not been one day without a heavy breeze. Look at that, just wants to take it down. Alright, let me try to catch her with no breeze so I can spin her a little bit. Forget it, that breeze does not want to give way. Alright, we'll catch a little break on the breeze there. So far, says I got 30 seconds on the battery, based on 7 minutes, but my alarm hasn't gone off, so that's a good sign. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So it is pretty synchronized. Yeah, my alarm says done, and so does that one. So I'm gonna have to add it, instead of 7 minutes 30 seconds, I'm gonna have to do it like 7 minutes 15 seconds to kind of give me a little bit of a, or hell, just 7 minutes. That is cool. All right, let's check the ESC. All right, it's hot, but it's not blistering, killing you hot, which is a good thing. All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera from the copter. At the same time, I turn off the camera from helm, so when I play them back, I can jump back and forth on the screens, keep them safe. All right, flight number 2, fresh battery in. I let it sit for a couple of minutes. And actually cools off pretty fast. All right, so she did some pretty decent moves before. Even with the really heavy wind, it was kind of tossing her back and forth. I was able to recover pretty fast. So that's a good sign. This time, the last battery I used was this one came from Walkera Power Supply. It was kind of a clone of the Walkera battery. It's a 35C, it's a little more of a burst. The one I'm using now is the factory Walkera, which is 25C only, at 2200. This one was 2250. So it should last a little, even though it's a 2200, it should last a little longer since it's not a It's not a 35. Alright, here we go. Shit, 6 minutes, 12 seconds. I didn't realize I left it longer than you should have. Alright, this time I'll keep her close. I'm gonna try some quick maneuvers on her. Come on. Alright, just gonna let it go and see where she pulls me. Yeah, she wants to pull forward and to the right. Let's bring her back. And again, a lot of that could just be the wind. Alright, I'm gonna keep her manually hard. Look at that! How weird that with the lighter battery, it actually goes down a little harder. Huh. Alright. Yeah, let that hard breeze pass. As soon as it passes, I'm just gonna let her go. See where she wants to go. Come on, breeze. Right now I'm holding her to the right and forward a little bit. Alright, I just let it go. Well, still pulls forward. Oh, the breeze has changed direction. Nice. Gotta love this park. We get air in every possible direction here. It's a good practice area. All possible scenarios. Look how he's shaking from the wind. It's a hard breeze today. I should have brought a little. Look at that. Look how it wobbles. Jesus, is that the wind or something else? That's a hard breeze. Come on, baby. I don't know why she wants to touch the ground for. I know the breeze is strong, but the thing is, I have to hit a lot of throttle to keep her up against the wind, and once the wind finally leaves, the breeze takes it down, and when I slow down, it overcompensates. I wonder if the gyro doing that. Oops, got somebody walking here. Let me pull back. Here, keep her close to me. That person walks away. Come on, walk the dog. Come on, walk the dog. There you go. Stop right in front of me. Come on. There you go. See, we're getting the hover down pack. Be able to experiment soon with her. Don't worry, getting close to my head on purpose. I want to see her up close in the camera. And she wants to take off when I spin her. Man, that breeze, no joke. Alright, right here I'm at 73%. If I flick it into stump mode 1, should get higher RPMs. Right there I'm in stump mode 1. The gyro's at 70%. And I have a lot more up-down control, but it's more wobbly. Yeah, I gotta fly here in stump mode 1 more often to get used to it. And look at that, see it? Nice up-down on that. Ooh, I like the sensitivity of that stump mode 1. Not really made for hovering, but very sensitive. Alright, once there's no wind, this bitch is gonna flip. Oh, there goes my battery warning. Let me flicker back to regular mode. Alright, that's regular mode. Let me bring her in before it starts beeping. Oh, look at that, just on time.